One of the most popular things to do in the world is to listen to music. Most likely, you not only spend a lot of time on it, but also a lot of money, whether you buy records or pay for a streaming service. But did you know that it's also possible to do the opposite? You can get paid to listen to music online these days. This video will show you how to make money every day by listening to music on websites, apps, and other ways. If having a song to go with your day and making extra money sounds like a good idea, keep watching until the end. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. Number 1. Current/Mode. Confused by two names? Don't worry, it's the same music app, but it's called something different in each operating system. If you have an iPhone, look for Current in the App Store. If you have an Android, search for Mode in Google Play. You can listen to over 100,000 hand-picked radio stations on the app and earn points. Sometimes, as the music plays, you'll hear about other ways to get special rewards. You can use the points you earn on Current/Mode to buy things, get services, give money to charity, or buy gift cards. It's a great way to make money if you like listening to music and learning about new artists. Really? Why would you pay for streaming services when Current can pay you more? You want to know how much you can get paid to listen to music on this app. It depends on both your profile and how much time you spend listening to music. If you use the app 20 to 30 hours a week, you can easily earn up to $600 a year. Number 2. Radio Earn. Radio Earn is another company that lets you earn points by listening to online radio. Instead of a desktop or mobile app, it works through your web browser. You can also add the player to your own website and make money when people use it to listen to music. Talk about passive income. With Radio Earn, people who like to listen to music get points for every 15 minutes they listen. The points you earn in a month are turned into USD. Then you can choose to cash out through a bank transfer, Bitcoin, or Amazon gift cards. This gives you the freedom to choose between extra cash and more unique rewards. Number 3. Hit Predictor. Hit Predictor is a great choice for people who want to always be the first to hear new songs and have at least a little say in the music industry. The idea is simple. You listen to unreleased songs by independent artists and rate them. The Hit Predictor website says that your ratings can influence record labels, radio stations, the artists, and their managers. Doesn't that sound like a dream? Like Radio Earn, Hit Predictor doesn't have a music app. You have to use your web browser to listen to and review music. Users get paid for each song they listen to, and they can use the points they earn to buy prizes or weekly raffle tickets. Again, it's not a very good way to make a lot of money, but every little bit helps, and you can learn about new artists while making money. Number 4. Jing at Parties. If you like music, staying up late, and going to parties, why not turn your interests into a way to make money? Good DJs are needed at all kinds of events, from birthday parties to parties in Ibiza. For music lovers, this is one of the best ways to make money. The bad thing about this job is that most gigs will be at night or on the weekend, unless you specialize in children's parties. Some people think that makes DJing a great side job, but that's only true if you don't do it every week. You'll need a good night's sleep before you can be the life of the party. Number 5. Reviewing new artists and songs. Content creation can be a pretty good business, depending on the niche you choose. Whether it's writing blog posts, making YouTube videos, or something else, you could make money by doing something you enjoy and bringing attention to the things that interest you the most. As a music lover, you could review new albums and music videos, talk to new and independent artists, go to local music events and talk about them, etc. There are almost too many ways to get paid online to listen to music and share your thoughts. The best music reviewers can easily make six-figure salaries every year. All it takes is a little time and a lot of passion. These are the top 5 ways to make money by listening to music. If you liked the video, leave a comment and also subscribe to our channel for more money-making videos. Press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching.